Let's talk about intention. What does success look like for you? Are you taking the appropriate steps to get there? And most importantly, why is that your idea of success? And how does it make you happy? These are extremely tough questions to ask ourselves, and executing without intention is easy. Making a to-do list and checking off things every day can make us feel productive, but when we do a big picture review and look back, we often realize that we are not happier, not simply because we may not have taken the right steps to achieve our dreams, but maybe even the dream itself has changed over time. And unfortunately, these experiences lead us into vicious cycles that causes us to be disengaged and demotivated in our work, and encourages us to count the seconds until our shift ends. It's these experiences that make us fear personal growth and reflection and put off our daily opportunities to improve ourselves. If we don't define what success means and work hard for it, then we can't be blamed when we fail, right? My name is Conrad, and I'm a creator that is endlessly passionate on finding new ways to tackle everyday challenges, and I believe that there are two types of work that should be fun. 1. We should enjoy the work we do in our profession that contributes towards positive social impacts, and 2. We should enjoy the efforts and direction that our personal growth journey takes us. In our brand new video series, we'll be tackling how to make this vision a reality together with our 1,000-strong family of like-minded thinkers who are relentlessly passionate about growth, productivity, and learning. It's time to make work fun to get stuff done. I believe in sharing openly so we can co-create and collaborate to maximize shared knowledges and experiences. Our work has been made 100 times better with the thoughtful contributions of our amazing COEX3 family. We believe that when growth-minded thinkers are provided with ample knowledge, equipped with great systems to enable them to take action on their learning, and have a community to support them in all their endeavors, they experience drastic life improvements and bring positive impacts to the world. So why systems? Well, systems offload the burden on our brains so that we can focus on what matters. It organizes our thoughts and simplifies decision-making processes. It's systems that amplify our productivity and translates an individual success into a group success. One of our favorite apps to use for life management and organization is Notion, because of the deep customization and shareable nature of the all-in-one productivity tool. In just the last 8 months, we've pushed out over 20 templates to help you organize and be productive in every aspect of your lives. So let's talk about the principles behind our designs to better understand how utilizing our system drives us to lead better lives. First, it helps us record how we think and behave in useful, fun, and engaging ways by being visually rewarded as we take meaningful steps towards our defined visions for the future, constantly motivating us to move forward. Second, organizing our thoughts through digital records that communicate with each other helps us connect the dots whenever we start new projects and initiatives, so we are always working with intention. Lastly, by being transparently honest with ourselves about what we say and then what we do, we can understand ourselves a lot more and make constant improvements on our growth journeys towards our true goals and desires. As our grand vision attracts a huge influx of growth-minded thinkers just embarking on their journey towards intentionality and gamification, our latest innovation is the ability to generate your own dashboards to incrementally build up your system at your own pace and orientate your life on what matters most to you. Our series will go into depth into the features of every single one of our amazing templates so that not only can you learn how to use them as effectively as our most productive members do, but customize them as you like to fit your unique lives. Today's video will dive into the Build Your Own dashboard and how it works, and along the way, you'll learn the principles behind database architecture and systems thinking, so when you design your own systems, you can build with scalability in mind. When you land into our system, first, press duplicate on the entire template package so that the relations between all the databases are retained during the duplication process. This is one of the big components that makes our system so powerful. Our templates are interconnected through relational properties in the same way that neurons in our brains wire together to make meaningful connections and generate key insights. Our templates are fully usable under Notion's free personal plan, and if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up using this link here and get $10 credit. It's extremely easy to get started with our modular Build Your Own dashboard page, which we'll explain in detail now. And remember, we're always here to help. The Coix3 family is a community that celebrates constant growth and improvement and enjoys being helpful wherever we can. Check in on the community to ask for help, tips and tricks, or just to chat about all things productivity, growth, and learning. So let's enter into the Build Your Own dashboard. The concept behind this page is for you to mix and match different parts of the system to accomplish what you need to accomplish. Whenever you initiate a new mode, a step-by-step guide is auto-generated to guide you in utilizing that template. So let's start by exploring the easy mode. This mode is intended for people who already keep a task manager, and their main priority is clearing up the backlog that's been built up and completing tasks on time. Let's quickly demonstrate how generation works. Whenever you press this button, you are generating linked views of the underlying database with specific filters and properties to be shown based on the mode you are generating. This is one of the big reasons why we like using Notion, because you're able to have different views of the same database be showcased on different pages, enabling you to manipulate data in entirely different ways based on your immediate use case. I covered this topic in my video on how to use advanced views in Notion. Once you successfully generated the views, you now have a basic success plan that includes gold values you will earn when you complete your tasks on time, as well as a gamified weekly quest database for you to make your mundane, obligatory chores more exciting. As mentioned, in this series we'll be posting a detailed video every week going through each of the templates in depth and how to customize them even further. But as you can see, a detailed user guide is also generated with each template for you to easily set up and understand how each section works. With that in mind, let's continue. The intermediate mode helps you focus on the big picture. What are you trying to accomplish? Why? How could you do it more efficiently? Is there a better way? This mode also helps you manage your daily quests to make every day a chance to improve yourself and level up. Let's generate the views and check it out. Our entire system is built around three main databases: Success Plan, Areas of Competence, and Resources. When we generated the success plan in the easy mode, we were generated a linked view that filtered out the more complicated properties. Now, we get to see it in its full glory to be able to link your success plan to the areas of competence you wish to excel at, the goals you're working on to improve each area, the key results that indicate measurable progress towards your goals, and your projects and tasks that you're constantly iterating on to make your dreams a reality. And remember, because this page uses linked views to help you manipulate the database, if you ever feel like you made a mistake, just delete the view and regenerate it again. The underlying data is safe as the master database lives on another page. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed watching content like this and are excited to watch the next video in this series coming out every Saturday. Now that you have built intentionality back into your life, it's time to get things done. The advanced mode leverages gamification principles to intrinsically motivate you with positive and negative reinforcements to do your best work. We have tons of great templates here, too much for me to cover right now. From being able to level up your mastery for skills and talents based on performance milestones, integrating achievements into your life, item shops, pets, loot boxes, and just so much more. Check out our playlist on how you can turn your life into an RPG right here. Lastly, we all have unique parts of our lives that we want to master and track, and we call these our sub-areas because they live under our areas of competence. You can think of the areas of competence almost like a file storage system. Each area is a drawer, and when you open up the drawer, you can see 3 sections: the goals you have that are constantly improving that area, the sub-areas that are maintaining its excellence, and all the skills and talents you are nurturing. As long as you have repeatable processes that are worth immortalizing, you can easily add a template for it and keep track of it. In our case, we've built out use cases for finance tracking, including a comprehensive expense report mechanism for self-employed entrepreneurs, personal CRMs, and just so much more. Having linked views generated makes it really easy for you to create new views to save on other pages. If you want to integrate our systems with other fantastic Notion pros such as Memory Poolin, August Bradley, Alex Sherwood, or others, all you have to do is generate the view, highlight the ones you want to move, and click Move To. So, in summary, our system creates 3 main databases that make sure the system runs smoothly. They are the areas of competence, the success plan, and resources respectively. Each of these databases have many properties, and use cases can vary depending on which filters you apply on the relevant linked views. We use dashboards and toggles to separate different use cases. The Build Your Own dashboard offers a unique opportunity to try out the most common use cases that have helped our members live their best life and innovate from there. Once you're familiar with the templates in our toolbox and want to explore our latest innovations live, check out our live streams every Friday to build together with me and learn how I think about and build systems. And if you want to learn the fundamentals behind living intentionally and gamifying your life so you can integrate it into any system you want, you can check out our Power Up Your Motivation course. We're currently in early access and deliver new videos every day from Monday to Thursdays. Huge thanks to our July patrons for making this all possible, especially Courtney, Tabatha, Marlum, Cruz, Tamir, Alberto, Alessandra, Asker, Dev, Jason, Lex, Nick, Travis, Anna, Brooks, Christy, Dante, Eric, Karthik, Roxanne, Terry, Turner, Winston, Jake, Justin, Maxime, and Ricordi. Special thanks to our annual patrons, Krissa, Shania, Timothy, and Veronica for joining us this month. It's extremely rare to have such outstanding support from a group so passionate about constant productivity, growth, and learning, and it's been our pleasure leveling up every day with such a wonderful family. Have an amazing week ahead, and talk to you soon.